Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Erica Lifestyle here. So yeah, welcome back to my channel, and today's vlog, it's another unboxing and a collaboration with Wishluck Ultrasonic cleaners. So yeah, welcome back to my channel guys. So yeah, I hope you have a wonderful day ahead, and so yes, stay tuned with me and bear with me because today is another unboxing and review with this awesome product from Amazon. So thank you, Ultrasonic Cleaners, Wishluck, it's their brand. So thank you so much for picking me and choosing me as one of your brand ambassador, and I hope to collaborate with you more, you guys, in the future, in the next few days maybe. So yeah, it's today it's another unboxing. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get the ball rolling because we're gonna unbox this together. And it's called Wishluck cleaners. So let's see and what's inside and how it looks like, and are they very useful to us, and let's see what are the inclusions and what are the parts that is what's the reason behind that it is very essential to us human beings with this Wishluck Ultrasonic cleaners. So yeah, without any further ado, let's keep the ball rolling. So yeah, let's open this one right here, and I'm so excited because I haven't opened yet since I got their package. And yeah, so let's open this one right here. Wow, I like their packaging since this product is fragile, and it says here Wishluck Ultra Cleaners, and bling your life in Wishluck. Wow. This is right here, and another. So by the way guys, don't you worry, I'm gonna put the link on my description so that if you guys are interested, and if you like this product, and I can give you a promo code, and I'll put in my description down below. So yeah, and the link, if you want to purchase their order, if you want to place your order, you can order it as soon as possible. So this product is from Amazon. It's called Wishluck. So you guys, back to this unboxing. And so yeah, they have three different kind of colors. They have white, pink, and black. Since I love white, so I pick the white one. So okay, let's open this one together. So that's it. So just remove this one. So this is how it looks like. So let's put it here, and let's open. Very nice. So they have the plug right here, and some parts where you can put your jewelries and everything. So you can put your jewelries or your necklace, your ring and your bracelets, or even your sunglasses or your reading sunglasses, you can put it here. So they have this manual right here, and bling your life and Wishluck Ultrasonic cleaner. So this is how it looks like inside, and yeah, right there. So, and I think I'm gonna read it to you. Hold on, guys. So, for the information of everybody, Ultrasonic Cleaner is a brand new company that has launched in Amazon, and they are very promising with a second generation already in development. We have been impressed by the exceptional content produced and are excited by the opportunity to collaborate with. So yeah, the Wishluck Ultrasonic Cleaner, coupled with advanced features such as built-in alarm clock, and later we're gonna try it and try to unplug this one, and it has built-in alarm clock function, night lamp, and a UV sterilizer, and etc. So this is not just a ultra cleaners for our jewelries, it has also alarm clock and night lamp and UV sterilizer. So I believe that this product is not only sets for new standards and cleaning efficiency, but also embodies elegance and functionally like never before. So yeah, I am so happy that the ultrasonic cleaners, Wishluck, is like giving me this gadgets or apparatuses, because I have lots of jewelries that needs to be cleaned. So like this one, and this one, and this one. So yeah, this is very useful to me because it can also cleanse my jewelries. So yeah, this it is, so meaning to say this product, it's multifunctional because it has alarm clock, it has a UV lamp as well, except from aside from being a ultrasonic cleaners to our jewelries. So yeah, we're gonna try plug this one and how it looks like. So it has plug, and let's see how it looks like. So it has here where you can plug it. It's 24 watts power. Okay, so this is ultrasonic machine there, and I'm gonna plug it here. Maybe here. Oh, there you go. See the time. So all you have to do is just set your time here. There you go. Amazing. So we'll set your time or light up, set time. Amazing. And it has on and off. So it has adjustable lights. See, cool. You can see that one there. So this is amazing. you want to sterilize all your jewelries, you can put here like that. And this is amazing. So it do not wet the UV clay lid when cleaning. The water in the lamp. Do not fill the tank with. So these are warnings right here. It's easy. Just read the instruction there. And there you go. Super love it. So I think this might, you know, worth it when you buy this one because it has multi-functional machine, because it has alarm clock, it has a UV lamp for your bed or your living room. So this is very useful to me. So yeah, don't you worry, I'm gonna put in my description the link for you guys to order this one. So yeah, I super love it. I think I'm gonna use this alarm clock also for my bed. You just sit here and let's see. Amazing. So yeah, it has white color. They have pink and black. So this is pretty amazing. Yeah, super love this one. And oh, it has green. It changed color, as you can see. See this one. See, you can adjust here, there. Oh, it has purple as well. I like the purple. So yeah, thank you so much. And that's it for today's videos, guys. And thank you for watching. This has been Erica Lifestyle here. So saying to you, enjoy the rest of your day and take care. Bye.